Hello everyone! Welcome back to Technical Chat number 1, your ultimate destination for honest and detailed tech reviews. Today, we're reviewing a budget-friendly smartphone that has caught the attention of many, the HMD Key. In this video, we'll dive into every feature and specification, giving you a complete overview of what this phone offers. So stay tuned till the end to find out if this device is worth your money. Starting with the build and design, the HMD Key measures 166.4 by 76.9 by 9 millimeters, making it a compact and easy-to-handle device. It weighs 185.4 grams, which gives it a solid feel in the hand without being overly heavy. The phone is dust and splash resistant, which adds a layer of durability. As for the color options, it comes in two classic shades, black and blue, catering to users who prefer a simple and elegant look. Moving on to the display, the HMD Key features a 6.52-inch IPS LCD screen. This display is designed for casual viewing with a peak brightness of 460 nits, which is decent for indoor and outdoor usage. The battery is another important aspect. The HMD Key is equipped with a 4,000 mAh battery, which ensures a full day of usage for moderate users. The phone supports 10-watt wired charging, which is quite basic, but gets the job done. Now, let's talk about performance. The HMD Key runs on Android 14 Go Edition, which is a lightweight operating system optimized for entry-level devices. It is powered by the Unisoc SC9832E chipset. With 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage, this phone is best suited for casual users. There's also a micro SDXC card slot, which uses a shared SIM slot. Let's discuss the cameras. The HMD Key has a single 8-megapixel wide camera on the back with autofocus. On the front, you get a 5-megapixel selfie camera. When it comes to connectivity, the HMD Key covers the basics and includes a 3.5mm headphone jack. However, it lacks NFC, which might be a downside for some users. A USB Type-C port, which is a nice addition for an entry-level device. That's it for today's review of the HMD Key. Let me know in the comments if this phone meets your needs or if you have any questions about it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technical Chat number 1 for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.